a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hello, bugs. It's your girl, Disastrous Beauty, coming back with the voiceover. So this particular unit is another unit that I caught with my own coins, and this is from our Be Stole My Look series. So this unit does come with 2 cones in the front and adjustable, 2 cones in general and adjustable straps. This is from Amazon. As you guys know, most of these units from this series are from Amazon. And yeah, if you guys are interested in any more details, specs, and all that good stuff about this wig, then please continue to watch. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so you guys know in the videos, especially the videos that I am myself buying the unit or whatever, I have been giving you guys subscriber shout outs, and I want to give another one in this particular video. The subscriber I want to shout out is D Luther. I want to say thank you so much, D. Like, D has been rocking with me for a very long time. I appreciate you so much. You always come through with the comments, and they're always very uplifting and nice. Shout out to you, D, for being just a part of my gang, okay? The Love Bug gang, as some of you guys will say. Shout out to you, D. I really do appreciate you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now we can get into this video. Okay, y'all, so this is yet another unit in our Be Stole My Look series, honey. That is what I'm going to be calling this series, because really Amazon and whoever is still in my face, child, okay? They copying my face and selling wigs, you know, with my face, okay? So this particular unit, child, I ain't even got it pulled up. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, so this particular unit is from my Phony Braxton video. I hate this picture that they have all over these people internet, okay? It is literally like a picture of the video. And child, I do not look my best on this picture. You know what? I look like my daddy in a wig. Now, I look like my daddy anyway, okay? But I really look like my daddy in a wig. Like, it's just giving real masculine vibes. I don't like it. I hate that they taking pictures of videos. Like, you could, if you're going to steal my picture, you could at least find the most flattering one to do so. Okay, sis? But apparently, it's still making the sale, so whatever. So, this brand is Rusina short wig, synthetic curly wig for black women. Short black pixie cut wig, heat resistant fiber hair wig. And the details and specs that they have on this particular unit is, it says 1 Rusina wig, 1 wig cap 22 inches. So the circumference of this wig is only 22 inches. So keep that in mind. As far as it being big head friendly, that is more so on the medium head friendly side. So just keep that in mind. Lace wig type, non-lace wig, machine production, less shiny, heat resistant synthetic fiber. Can it be permed? Yes. I don't know how, child, when it's synthetica. I don't get that, but word. That's what they got on here. Okay, that ain't nothing Chrissy said. That's what they said. Okay, application easy, do it yourself application. I concur with that. Okay, y'all. So with this particular wig, obviously there's no shedding, there's no tangling, child. She's that long, okay? She is that long. Let me see how much I paid for this wig. I think it was like $16.99. Yeah, the unit in itself was $16.99. It's a little bit more with tax. I don't even remember what the tax was, but it's a little bit more with tax. Now, the original unit, I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I think it was like $11 or $12, honey. Okay, so this unit is a little bit more expensive than the original wig, but you know, they stealing pictures out here, okay? So, well, at least they're saying that it's synthetic. Okay, now as far as it being big head friendly, like I said, this one is like a medium cap size. I do feel like you can, if you have a bigger head, make it work, because I do wear a medium cap size and I did have to adjust the straps. And once I adjusted the straps, it did fit, you know, snugly. Prior to that, it was fitting a little more loose. I would say it's medium to large head friendly, but honey, don't take my word for it, because I don't have a large cap size. So, you know, you go off what you think you know about your own head, girl. I'm just saying that it is 22 inches. That's what it's made for, child. Okay, just mine. Okay. So yeah. That is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now, it's a short wig, as I stated. I didn't expect any shedding or tangling with this wig. Like, it's short hair. Usually short hair doesn't have shedding and tangling like that. So this one did not. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. If you are interested, honey, I do want to say it does come with 2 combs. It comes with 1 comb in the front and 1 comb in the back. Now, if you are interested in a full 360, because honey, I ain't gotta do a lint check, because honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. If you are interested in a full 360, as well as my thoughts on this unit with these folks still in my picture, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, let me keep it a whole buck with you. You know your girl is not gonna lie to you. Honestly, y'all, I'm not mad at this unit. I honestly don't come for me. I honestly like this unit better than the unit that I actually reviewed. Yeah, you heard me right. Okay, the picture that they stole, I don't remember how the wig was initially, but I do remember feeling like that particular unit was a cap wig. And this wig is really, really curly. I felt like that wig didn't have the curls the same way. Now, when I was reading the reviews, I could have sworn somebody said that the wig was straight and all that. This wig is full of curls. It's full of curls, y'all. Like, you can look at it and see it's full of curls. I love that about this wig. And for the price point and for what it looks like, and versus the unit that I actually reviewed, I feel like this one is better. What can I say? And honestly, even though it's a little bit more expensive, when you add in shipping and all of that, because I did get that wig from like Wig Tights or somewhere, when you add in all of that, it's gonna equal out probably less, actually, because I think with taxes it turned out to be like $18. And my jacket ain't a voice. But you know, with Prime you get it faster, and you know, that is that. So honestly, y'all, I would recommend this wig. Now, I feel like I've been getting a lot of heat with that, like with me saying I would recommend units that these people are still in my pics, because people like, you just giving them free promotion. Like, I literally had somebody say that, and I was like, girl, they're getting the free promotion anyway. Okay, like let's just keep it a buck. Let's just call it a spade a spade. Like, I live in reality. I'm a Virgo, honey. I don't live with idealism. I live in realism. Okay, and let's be realistic. They're gonna steal the picture anyway. The least I can do is come on here, tell you guys what's what. If it's got my picture on it, I'm doing myself a service, not a disservice. I'm doing myself a service by saying, yeah, this wig is cool, this wig ain't, and letting you guys know what these companies are doing. I would be doing myself a disservice by acting like I can just fight these people in China where this is perfectly legal at. So, and on top of that, these links that I'm using down below in the description box, in case you didn't know, are affiliate links. So on top of doing the video, I'm making money. So it's a win-win for me. Especially when the wigs are decent. Like, it's nothing I can do about these people stealing my picture. They still influencers pictures every day. I don't know if you guys look. Shining Star literally commented on the video saying that, honey, at least your wig is decent. The wig they sent me was trash. You know what I mean? The wig that they used my picture on was trash. So, like, that just lets you know they do this all the time to influencers. And all we can do is let you guys know what's garbage and what's not garbage. Or let you guys know what we endorsing and what we not endorsing. That's all we can do. We can't do anything else. Like, ain't no suing where it's not illegal at. You know what I mean? Like, girl, who got time for that? I'm just keeping it a whole buck with y'all. I don't live in... I don't think like that. I am a very, very realistic, analytical type of person, okay? And realistically, they gonna steal the picture anyway. So, the least I can do is, order these wigs. And if they cute, honey, I got a cute wig. And I'm letting you guys know, whether it's good or not as well. So, to me, it's just win-win. So, I think it's a cute wig. I would recommend it. If you're looking for a little short, cute, curly, inexpensive number, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at this unit at all. Like, it ain't the best. There's no parting space. It's a wiggy type of wig, but it's cheap. And honestly, the wig that I did the review on was very, very similar, except to me, this one is better. So if you're looking for something like the wig that I did the review on, to me, this one is better. I mean, you can let me know down below, honey. Ain't gonna hurt my feelings none at all either way. But let me know what you guys think. Like, don't y'all think this one is better? Do y'all remember the Phony Braxton wig? Like, I feel like this one is better, but I could be wrong. No, I can't be wrong. That's my opinion. But your opinion may differ. Let me know. I don't mind, child. Let me know down below in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can ride this thing all the way. Okay, y'all. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And if my kitchen is a mess, honey, don't worry about my kitchen, worry about your kitchen, okay? Don't worry about mine, okay? Okay. And this is it on the right side. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Are you feeling it the same way that I'm feeling it? Let me know down below. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. Keep in mind, this is an affiliate link, honey. So if you don't want me to get no coins, honey, don't use that link. Find it another way. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook, and Help to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching